Well, I tell you, here at Wheelabrator Plus, what we focus on is the use of our equipment over time and how the customer's needs change over time. So it's really the continuous use of our equipment over time. And what we try to do is dedicate our efforts to providing parts, service, and equipment modernization programs to help customers upgrade their equipment so they can optimize their productivity, lower their cost per part, and really improve their overall cleaning requirements. The EMP program, or the equipment modernization programs, are pretty unique in the industry. Wheelabrator was really the pioneer for EMP programs, and starting about 2001-2002, we really initiated a business within a business to call on our customers and discuss what are the current requirements for their equipment and whether or not that piece of equipment is meeting their requirements. And more often than not, we identified that equipment might have been purchased for a different product, a different application, or different processing parameters, different cleaning specs than what they now require. And through the use of our engineering team and our service team, we've pulled together an entire business dedicated to upgrading existing pieces of equipment with the latest technology in order to help the customer enhance their cleaning requirements and really deliver a lower cost per part and a better and improved cleaning on that part during their application. One of the things with the history of Wheelabrator, we've been in this industry for 100 years. So the wheel blast expertise, we have a wealth of knowledge in that field. And working with our customers, we offer a couple things to help them improve their skill set, improve their blast cleaning capabilities. And we really leverage the use of our demo lab. The demo lab here in LaGrange is the best in the business. Also, in the case of other customers, we've even taken our O&M schools to the customer, where we've come into their location and we can work on their equipment and train their employees about how they maximize their productivity, how they improve their efficiencies, how they get better throughput, less downtime, lower their maintenance cost, lower their abrasive cost, improve their overall cost of cleaning within their facility. It's been a real powerful way for us to build closer relationships with our customers and also to provide more value to them. In terms of the Wheelabrator equipment, it's a very destructive process when you're cleaning metal parts. I mean, there's abrasive shot flying around, it's bouncing around. It naturally wears and tears on that machine. And if you don't take care of it, and you don't optimize your preventative maintenance programs, the machine's not going to do the job for you, and it's going to go down when you need it and potentially create a bottleneck in your operation. And one of the things that Wheelabrator Plus tries to do with our customers is we try to customize service programs to meet their requirements. And we deal with a whole variety of customers. With more than 10,000 machines installed in the North American market, we have customers across every industry and all sorts of applications. So the service requirements many times are very, very different. You know, we have some heavy-duty sand foundries that have an incredibly destructive process where we have monthly service contracts, where our teams will come in and they'll work with the customer teams on preventative maintenance programs and really go through from top to bottom tactically an inspection of all the components of the equipment and making sure that it's running at its peak performance and addressing wear issues before they become the major issues that could potentially shut down an operation. Wheelabrator Plus's service business is a critical element for our customers. We have service technicians regionally located around the country, many of them equipped with service vans that are fully stocked with wear parts, so our teams can come in and many times the same day provide repairs, upgrades, enhancements to a piece of equipment so a customer can avoid costly downtime and can make sure that they can continue to meet their deadlines within their facility. You know, and also through our customer center, we can leverage our best-in-class stocked parts performance. 97% of our stock parts ship same day. if the call comes in by 3 p.m. That's one of the differentiators that our competitors can't match in the industry. And at Wheelabrator, we believe if you don't have the part when your customer needs it, you're not providing the best possible service. And that's why we've invested in these areas. When you're working with Wheelabrator, you're working with the #1 brand in the industry. We are the leader in surface preparation and surface finishing globally for more than 100 years. And the key thing, when you're working with us, we're leveraging 100 years of expertise, but it doesn't stop there. We've got our E&P application engineers, we've got our engineering department that can come in and working with the service team, they can understand exactly what has to happen to that machine in order to deliver the finished result that the customer wants at the cost they need.